friends, this is how you edit and manage your link privacy in Loom.com. Before you can edit or manage your link privacy in your recording, you need to make an account in Loom.com. Okay, then now we can start. Click one of your videos. For example, I'll click this 3 famous composers of my video. Then you can manage your link privacy here. So first click copy video link. You don't need to click it, but see the button here next to this text. Okay, then you can click which one do you want. Do you want it to be public, or do you want it to be shared to only specific people that can access this video and view it, or you just want this video to be private only to you, and this video is only visible to you, so anybody else who gets this link won't and can't access this recording. But if you click public, then everybody can access this video when they get this video's link. Okay? Then you can just click share and copy link, or you can embed this to your website and other things too. You can just explore in this video of yours. And the next thing is how you edit your video. First, you can just click this one, the first one, trim video. Then you can start trimming. Okay, you can see this one. So you can play the video first. Then you can just play it and click start trimming. Then you can see this one here. You can adjust how much do you want to trim. And then after you're finished, you can click remove if that's final. Or you can just click cancel if you want to cancel this trim. Okay? Then you select cancel for now. And you can just revert to original if you accidentally click remove and click publish changes. Okay? And one more thing. When you click this more and you download, your trimming won't be there. So it will be the original video, and what you have trimmed, it won't be trimmed in the video that you have downloaded. Okay? That's all for my explanation about how to manage your link privacy and how you can edit your video in Loom. Bye bye!